Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are fine. It's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, back again with another video. I was supposed to record something else today and tomorrow, going on a longer trip with the family out about 100 kilometers away from where I live right now. But lo and behold, things didn't pan out the way they were supposed to, and now I am trying to figure out what to do for tomorrow. It's been a hot minute since I was last on the bike. I think it was last week. I don't know, it feels like a hot minute, like it feels weird. I'm using different gloves. It was a bit hot today, so I'm wearing different gloves, different shoes. I'm wearing a like bandana underneath my helmet to protect my hair. I've been doing some hair treatments as well because I am balding a little bit for the first time in a while. I'm thinking like, I should probably start taking care of that. And this feels a little bit weird today. I'm riding in the middle of the day, which by itself is also weird, because I usually ride in the mornings. As you guys can see, for the first time in a while, we have a windshield on the bike. Put that back on, like see how it holds up on the highway. We'll see how it goes. Honestly, I don't know how much the protection it is gonna give from the wind buffeting. I can still feel it on my head, so I might just actually take this thing off again. Just chilling, man, just chilling. I wanted to go on a longer ride. So you know how the last time I was on the highway, I was going to do that again tomorrow, but go a couple of towns out, around 100 kilometers there and like 100 kilometers back kind of thing. So like a 200 kilometer trip. That's about 120 miles. I don't know what it is for you guys in the States. My apologies if I'm completely wrong. But yeah, I was going to do that, but things did not pan out how I had hoped for. So we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so it might actually be helping out a lot. Oh yeah, when I turn I don't feel any of the wind buffeting too. Man, the windshield is actually working. Huh. Who would have known? I used it on the bike for like a year and then took it off for like since like January maybe. I can't remember when I took off the windshield and just stopped using it altogether. Remember, if you're going up a hill, stay on the right. If you don't know what's up there, and then just go back to the left and you're right of the lane. There we go. That's one of the few times I've actually had to like try and implement a U-turn ever since the MST test. I swear to God, I hope this windshield stays intact and doesn't like, fly off on me. Oh my God, that would suck. That would honestly suck. And wham, just goes over top of my head, hits the top of my helmet, and lands in the windshield of a freaking car behind me on the highway. That would suck, man. I was honestly really hesitant on getting out on the bike today. I woke up late and I was like, I hate it when I wake up late. I feel like that puts a damper in my plans and I don't feel as motivated to like get my stuff done for the day and like push it off to another day, which is a really bad habit of mine. I need to get that fixed. I need to fix that. I definitely need to work on that. I think I might actually need to get earplugs now. Okay, so that's stuck over there, so I'm not going that way. Just turn around from here. I know there's construction going on to the place I'm turning. So we'll see what happens. We'll honestly see what happens. Let's go and see how this construction is going. It might be a terrible idea on my end. It might be an absolutely terrible idea. But let's see if it's okay for me to bring the bike around this area now. My suspension might hate me for this. Oh shit. Yeah, the road's not that bad. Hey, road's actually really bumpy. Oh shit. This is not what I expected. Oh shit, my shocks are not happy with me. God damn, man. I'm really pushing it for this thing. Really pushing it with this thing, man. I really need to get work done to this. It's not even like creak now when you go for a bump. Like, god damn. But honestly, besides that, I don't really have much else to say. I just wanted to get out and go on a rip on the bike, and I honestly didn't have much else I wanted to do. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button. I know it wasn't that exciting or motivating of a vlog, but hey, we got out on the bike, we're having a good time, it's a nice day. Yeah guys, just enjoy your day, just enjoy this. Like, I'm pretty sure in most places, hopefully right now, it's gonna be really good weather right now, so like, enjoy it, enjoy the sunshine as you can. Like, if it's out right now, just enjoy it, man. So yeah, just enjoy it, have some fun. Yeah, just enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, it's your boy Jay, the Motor Marauder, signing out. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay hydrated now, or stay cool now, not stay warm. It's not even cold anymore, it's warm as heck right now. Like, stay cool, stay hydrated, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Alright, see ya.